Hello everyone, I'm Himangi. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all doing great. So in this video I'll be sharing 5 methods by which you can upgrade your terracotta pots and give them a more aesthetic and designer look. All 5 methods are extremely simple and can give your terracotta pots really beautiful look. But before we start, I want to give you few tips. First, they should be dried before painting. This goes especially for old ones because terracotta is porous. It absorbs a lot of water. You can dry them under sun for 2 to 3 days. Second, always wipe surface before painting. Third, try to paint your pot empty. And fourth and the most important one, varnish the pots from inside and outside before painting and after painting to make it long lasting. In the first method, I will be using baking soda and white paint. This technique got viral last year, so I thought I should also give it a try. This will be the first time I will be using this technique. I have used 1:2 ratio, that is 1 part of baking soda and 2 parts of paint. You can play with the ratio according to the look you want. The more baking soda you will add, the more cementy or stony it will look. Once the first coat is dried, you can paint it with the second coat if needed. As this was my first time, I observed that after mixing paint with baking soda, the glossiness of the paint was completely gone and it was giving a matte textured look. Since I used white paint, so after completion it was giving the look of a cement pot, but if you want, you can give it a stone like finish by using grey paint. That's how it looks after completion. Second method is paint drip method. In this method, since you will be pouring the paint over the pot, consistency of paint should neither be thick nor too thin. While pouring, keep the pot over something in upside down position and then start pouring your color. You can use as many colors or just a single color depending on the look you want. I have used only single green color. Now outcome of this method is not fully under your control. Now once you are satisfied with the result, leave the pot overnight to dry in same position. Once it's dried, it looks something like this. Third method is called sponge technique. I will be showing you two different results with the same technique. For the first one, I will paint the pot with baking soda method. Here I am painting yellow acrylic color with baking soda in same proportion as told earlier. Once the paint is dried, I'll wet the sponge and drain excess water and then start sponging with orange color. Result of sponging in this method looks grainy and matte. For second one, I will paint the pot in regular way and then once it's dried, I will start sponging it. Since this pot is painted without baking soda, result of sponging in this method gives a very satin-like finish. Sketching is the fourth method. You can use marker for this method. You can directly sketch over plain terracotta pot, or you can first paint and then sketch over pot. To give it a finished look, I am painting the upper part of the pot with brown color. And this is how it looks after completion. Last and final method is spray painting. This is the most easy method to convert your terracotta pot into a fancy pot. You can color them according to your choice, but I feel painting them with gold or brass color gives them a very classy look. That's it for today's video. I hope you liked the video. If you do so, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.